Now, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says more counselors are needed to help reduce the scourge of domestic abuse. He wants all justices of the peace to start training to fill the void. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The matter of domestic abuse is again in the news following a deadly case in St. Elizabeth in which family members claimed the young woman was a victim of abuse. And days later, the Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has revealed there is a shortage of counsellors to intervene in domestic violence cases in communities.
You don't appreciate how many persons are being abused, and many of them are looking to someone to talk to. The Victim Services Division of the Ministry of Justice would like more volunteers to be able to become counselors who can listen, because most times persons who are abused, domestic abuse especially, just want somebody to talk to.
He made the comment while addressing justices of the peace in Clarendon, where he called on them to start the training to become domestic abuse counselors.
I beg of you, ensure that this parish, that domestic abuse, whether of a man or woman, usually women, or child abuse, that we eliminate it as much as possible.
Turning to other gun crimes, Mr. Chuck also begged the JPs to continue to work in their communities as conflict mediators. He reasoned that many murders arise from verbal disagreements that escalate into shootings and subsequent reprisal attacks.
Shootings, killings are because people can't settle their arguments, and they feel the best way to do it is to use violence to give a one last lick. Now that is a schoolboy thing. When you're in school, you have to playfully talk about last lick. But no, adults, the last lick is violence.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.